So as you can see, got rear-ended. I ain't gonna lie, the right side of my lower back fucking hurts. I'm just saying that for documentation purposes. Yeah, just the lady, whatever, dude, stupid shit. So, can't open the doors, so that's fun. I had a plan to do this cool job, this cool video to do this job today, and I don't know if I feel like even doing it anymore. I'll try to film some shit, just because, but yeah, so count your blessings. I mean, it could have been worse. It just fucking got rear-ended, nothing crazy. So life is good. I'm good. Now let's get on with the video. Made it to the job in one piece. Gonna go ahead and pump the refrigerant back into the system, and we can flush the line set, and then we can wipe it. Let's get started. Let's see how much we got. Put it on the low side. 40. All right, boom, we're good. Everything. We'll just put this over before we start to flush it. That way it keeps nice and clean. So we just got done flushing it. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe it with this guy. We're gonna throw the pigs through and have a net on the inside. So basically what we're gonna end up doing is just getting the size of the copper that we need. So we got a 3/4 line set, and then we have a 3/8 line set. And it's gonna go right here into the tool. Make sure she's good and tight. Right. And then we'll put this on here. We want to select the proper size pig, and they come in obviously. So got our 7/8, 3/4, and then we also have our 3/8. So go ahead and get those loaded up with the first pig. We're at 50. We got the pig in there. We got the chamber loaded. Now I gotta go put this bag on the inside. All right, you want to stand here? The bag's in. I'm gonna go blast it. Blast it. Yeah? Oh, thank God. About 500 PSI. We're good. Yeah. All right, there she is. Nice and in there. Now we gotta do our 3/8 line. It's half 3/8 right here. We'll put that bad bitty on there. See, what gets me, man, is the size of these pigs, bro. I mean, it's, my thing is like, that bitch. She's in there now. All right, I'm just fucking nervous, to be quite frank with y'all. I mean, what's the worst thing that's gonna happen? We gotta run a new liquid line or whatever. That go? Huh? Huh? Oh, I believe it. I should have told your ass, like, it's coming! My man's like, yo, taking him.
I'm taking it out.
Oh, shot you. Oh, nice. All right.
It worked.
What you think?
Pretty dope. Pretty dope.
Pretty dope. Shout out to Hilmor. We're thinking of the things that are going to help the business. But, all right, cool. So, again, we went ahead and flushed it, ran the pigs. I mean, it's either the oil or it's the RX-11, but I know a lot of people don't believe in the RX-11. I'm a believer in it. I know, you know, there's very differentiating opinions. So, yeah, all right, the hard part's done. Now, basically, I'm just going to finish up installing this condenser, but I wanted to show this product in case you guys didn't know it was out there. I think it's really cool. Again, and then they make other sizes that go up to 1.125" and go down to 1/4 inch. And I ended up going with 500 PSI. I don't know exactly. I didn't read the instructions. So it could be way less. Like, for whatever reason, I'm thinking 50 PSI because maybe of a drain line. But yeah, let me go ahead and bang out this condenser. And
Are you an HVAC contractor looking to streamline your operations? Field Pulse is the best field service management software out there. They're ranked #1 for a reason. With Field Pulse, you can schedule jobs, dispatch technicians, track service history, and invoice clients, all on the easy-to-use platform. It integrates seamlessly with your existing tools, so you save time and reduce errors. Plus, with real-time updates and customer management features, like letting the customer know that I was going to be running behind today, you can provide exceptional service, boost efficiency, and grow your business. Field Pulse simplifies your business operations one job at a time. Click the link down below. Now let's get on with the video.
bring the hand truck to the side. Whichever way you think.
Just get it close now.
Oh. Them finger condoms. Ready? We know when you're ready. I got the heavy side. I knew it. I knew it. I knew I had it. I knew you weren't gonna get it. Yeah. We'll just drop it.
I'm good. If you're good, I can keep going.
Yeah, let's keep going. And then we can just drop it.
I agree.
Oh.
Watch your steps. You got me.
Oh God.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, to your left, or straight down. 1, 2, 3. You did. So 3 means drop. I don't know where you go.
Look at that. Wait,
Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, what'd you say?
Can't believe a car hit you.
They called. This way and left. Oh God, it's slippery bottom.
Hold on.
My microphone. Fuck your microphone, bro. What about me? Oh, you should be on, yeah.
I'm good. I'm good.
I mean, I think I'm good. All right, 1, 2, 3. Kind of like, yeah.
One more.
Are we just going down?
I'm good. Keep going.
Okay.
All the way.
All right.
Yep.
Oh,
I got it.
that was good.
Yeah. Oh, that's where you're gonna put it?
I was potentially going
I
to.
would put it over here.
I was thinking, but then I have to redo all that copper, and then I just don't want it to get stepped on.
There's really no need.
I just want to be able to accessibly access it. All right, cool, man. Thank you.
Where'd this come from? Yours?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's where it was. I got video proof. Come on. In the back, slide it in this way, yeah?
1, 2, 3. Come on. Can you hold it while I take a look at it here? Hit gander.
The old gander feed.
Push it towards you, back, bottom out, so we can level it out. Pull towards the dip. Look. All right, we're in. Slide it, bitch.
It's like measurements make a difference, bud. Hold on.
Yeah, get on the
Yeah.
hold it. Pry it.
All right, camera died again. I have this little handle. I use the Pocket 3, and this is supposed to be like it's like an additional battery pack, but it died. So, anywho, condenser's brazed in, getting ready to wire it up. What a damn day. So let's go wrap up today's video, man. It just wasn't my day. You know, I was ready to go. The morning was starting out great. I was ahead of schedule. Was going to get to the job site 2 hours prior to when I did get to the job site. Camera kept dying, all that jazz, but whatever. The job is complete. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. It turned out amazing. That's the #1 rule, right? The customer doesn't need to deal with your problems, just get their problems taken care of. So got him up and running. He's good to go. This was actually my first time installing a Lennox, and I talked a lot of shit about Lennox. But the quality of the machine was actually pretty decent, man. So I'm pleasantly surprised. I don't know if we're going to be doing more in the future or not, but I'm happy with the way the job turned out. But with that being said, guys, I'm not going to ramble on too much longer. I do just want to get home. So if y'all could, smash the like button. Consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know, man. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Later.